How about everyone? In this new video I want to show you how to solve this problem, which says it needs the official application to log in. Well, I previously did a video solving this problem. However, there are more solution methods. What am I going to show you in this part 2? That they are going to be even much easier than you think. If you are one of those new to are watching this video, I invite you to watch part 1 before watching this one. Otherwise, let's stay in this video. The first, we must uninstall the application, which is supremely easy. Simply uninstall it, either from the launch itself or whatever, and accept. Then what we should do is to download the official application, as it says in part 1. But many will have a problem that I did not explain in part 1. Says that this application cannot be installed because a user already installed an unofficial unsupported version. This is pretty simple. You simply enter the settings, give you where it says applications we search, which is called COM yellow dot, and simply uninstall it. Since this is the one that generates the conflict, and once there, they simply enter the Play Store, and they already install the application without any problem. This is also due to what they tend to accumulate information, or detects that you still have in Plus, or things like that according to Meta or Facebook, and that is why the notification of need to install the official application. I say this and I emphasize that because many have had this happen to them, and with that they have been solved. However, if it does not work for them, or do you still get this notification, there is another method. What it is to use an application duplicate. We can use virtual Android. That what it does is to create a second Android operating system, or you can also use parallel space or other application duplicate of your choice. Does not necessarily have to be that, because there are many in the Play Store called. They're in those who are showing on the screen. You choose the one of your choice, or whoever has there. Well, let's rehearse first with parallel space, or the application duplicate. For the G space is one of the easiest of all, because they will simply ask him which applications you want to duplicate, and we simply choose. Once there, we simply enter the parking lot. We wait for it to start and all. Simply give you continue. Ordinary and ordinary. And from there you put on the TV, the telephone number. If for some reason they still have the same problem, I recommend using the virtual Android. Is the one that appears there? In fact, the first start. It may take about 5 minutes to get there, because it starts downloading the files, configurations and all. Once there, it charges as if it were a different phone, and you give it the import button. There. As you can see, it is as if it were a second phone. Give you the import button. And from there we look for Paradise. It is important that you accept all permits, because if you suddenly deny location, contacts and everything is likely to not work for you. We simply give the boy an importance. Is important that a small warning will appear there. That allegedly is a harmful application. Simply gives you more details and gives you the ability to install. Anyway, I say this because some people get that after installing the application, for they simply enter the ordinary habitat. Although in my case, a very different situation appeared to me, because when logging into, it turns out that instead of placing the number, the QR code appeared. Simply gives them the 3 buttons on the top, and register with the new account, which in that case we provide the telephone number. After that we waited a few days and use ordinary aluminum in these emulators, and with that, again use official on the phone, and that solves the problem. If you found the video useful or liked it, make me do it with a like. Subscribe to the little bell at all times. Or if you wish support me, give me a super tens and see you next time.